Hey guys, we are here at the Lake Club on an install project, and I want to bring you behind the scenes on this amazing project that we're doing. One thing I will mention on this project, the client is living here, which is something we normally don't do during an install. And they have some of their furniture in the space while we're waiting for more furniture to come in. So as you will see, we have blank spots, blank areas. You may see some furniture that really doesn't belong, but come back and check out the final reveal and you'll see it all put together. Right now we are outside. You're gonna see this gorgeous outdoor furniture that we're working on. This family is very busy. They have young children. They love to entertain. So we wanted to give them ample seating in this space, outdoor to entertain. So let's go inside and see how the team is doing with the install. So let's go into the dining room where we have one of my favorite pieces in the whole house. It's a reclaimed white oak dining table. And we love this because it has character and cracks and dents in it, and it's perfect for this busy family who has young children who do not have to worry about if they make a mess or scratch anything up. We also added this gorgeous light. It's literally like a piece of art, and it's one of my favorite things. So even though we have a beat up, as you would call it, reclaimed old dining room table, you can still pair a contemporary light with it and give it a little bling. So now we're in the kitchen breakfast nook area, and as you can see, we have no bar stools at all. So those are coming, and as you'll see, we put style boards up on the wall. You may catch them here or there, and that actually tells our team as they're bringing things in what goes in each space. And as you'll see in the dining room, we have no breakfast nook chairs. So those things are coming. As I mentioned, we're about 75% full on this project. We have a few things trickling in. That's why I want you guys to come back for the final reveal.